Hello fellow traders, let me take you through this week's trading setups using the AMD trading system, courtesy of Ultimate Trading School. I will be looking at the major currency pairs, NASDAQ, gold and oil. I use 1 hour time frame strictly. I will start with GBPUSD or the pound against the dollar currency pair. The pair has been on a strong uptrend for at least 2 weeks now. The gun distribution signal indicated an upward price direction, so I was only interested in finding buy entries. On the currency strength indicator, the pound has to be stronger than the dollar. That is the yellow line above the blue line. The volume bar has to touch the 50 liquidity level, meaning price is ready for distribution. For perfect entry, I wait until I get a signal from the smart level indicator, like it happened this week. There was a reversal signal on Wednesday. I could have executed a trade at around this zone and close it at the end of the New York session. The next pair is the euro against the dollar currency pair. It has also been on a strong uptrend for 2 weeks also. The gun distribution signal indicated an upward momentum, so I was interested in finding buy setups only. On the currency strength indicator, the euro was way stronger than the dollar. On Wednesday during the London session, the volume bar hit the 50 liquidity level, meaning price is ready for distribution. The smart level indicator had 2 confirmations, the reversal signal and the buy signal, so I could have entered a trade around this zone. If price breaks below that entry level, I usually stop my loss and get out of that trade. But luckily on Wednesday, the news was on my side and it was a very clean entry until the close of New York session. The smart level indicator also displayed a signal to exit all long trades until the next day or setup. On to the next pair, the dollar against the Swiss currency. The gun signal appeared late last week, so the best setups were forming this week. The Swiss gained strength over the dollar on Tuesday. There was a pullback in price which made the volume bar to hit the 50 liquidity level, and the smart level indicator confirmed the entry point here. There was no drawdown on this entry until New York close. On Wednesday, there was a powerful market strength. You can see the distance between the two assets is quite big. Note that the volume bar has not hit the 50 liquidity level, but the trend to the downside is very strong. If I get a setup like this, I can risk a small position and set a stop loss just right above that sell structure and wait for it to play out. It works most of the time. On to the next currency pair, dollar against the Japanese yen. A very manipulated pair by the Japanese government if you ask me, so be very careful trading it. The gun distribution signal was showing a downtrend direction in price. This week I was only interested in sell setups. On the currency strength indicator, the dollar became weaker on Tuesday during this crossover, and during the Asian Open session on Wednesday, there was a spike in volume strength. This would have been a perfect entry for a sell. Set the stop loss just above the downtrend signal on the smart level indicator. Let's check on gold. This is my favorite pair to trade with the AMD trading system. Gold has been on a very bullish run, even fundamentally, so taking sell entries is out of the option. You can see the gun distribution signal is showing an upward price momentum. Setup started forming on Monday after gold became stronger on the currency strength crossover. Since then, there has been pullbacks in price, and every time the volume bar hit the 50 liquidity level, price continued to the upside direction. The AMD system will give clear entry levels, and if you understand about fair value gaps in the market, you can take advantage of that, because like this week there has been a couple of good setups following the fair value gap theory. Today being a Thursday, gold is on the accumulation phase, no clear direction. You can see the strength of each asset is 0.0, meaning right now price is on consolidation, waiting for strength to kick in. I only enter a trade when I get a clear market strength in relation to my price direction. My second favorite asset to trade using this system is the US Tech or the NASDAQ 100. It obeys the rule of this system to the letter. The gun distribution signal was showing a downward price prediction. So this week I am only interested in taking sell trades. As you can see, from Monday to Wednesday, price was on the accumulation phase. And on Wednesday, that is when the smart level indicator gave a clear entry signal. And it was a downfall after that. Up to Thursday, price was still on a downtrend. I don't like shorting the indices that much because it is like betting against the US economy, and fundamentally the stocks have been on a bullish trend. So those are some of the factors to consider while trading the indices. Last but not least, this week's setup on US oil using the AMD trading system. Oil has been on a downtrend since Monday. I never got a clear entry to sell oil, but today on a Thursday, I have a setup forming. The gun distribution signal has changed the price direction to the upside. I am waiting for the other two conditions to happen. That is the red volume bar to hit the 50 liquidity level and the smart level indicator to give me an entry signal. The setup may complete this week or next week. I will have to be patient. This week I have been traveling, so I have missed some of my setups. I plan on recovering them next week together with my students. So join the Ultimate Trading School and learn how to use this system. I will be having Zoom classes, weekly setups, discussion group and much more tips to boost your trading IQ. For more info, you can contact me using this email address or message me via Telegram. Find the contact details below this video on the description page. That is all for this week's market review using the AMD trading system. See you in the next class. Enjoy your weekend. Peace.